everyone, welcome to solve this problem. Here we have 2 minus 8 becomes here minus 6, 2 minus 6 becomes here minus 4, and minus times minus becomes plus, and 4 times 6 becomes here 24. So if you can solve in this problem in this way, so this is the wrong way or this is the wrong answer. So you cannot use these steps to solve this problem. So here, in order to solve this problem, you just remember the PEMDAS rule. Okay, here this is our PEMDAS rule. So here this P stands for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, and A for addition, S for subtraction. So here you remember one thing is that multiplication and division has equal priority, addition and subtraction has also equal priority, but we can do this from left side to right side. Okay, so now we just solve this problem again into the correct way. So now we have so first you see that we have two operations, negative and negative, and here we have parentheses. So we do the first priority in parentheses, and now we can solve the parentheses terms first. We have 2 minus 6 multiplied by 2 minus 8 becomes here minus 6. And now here in the next step, the next priority from negative sign and multiply is multiply. So first we multiply these two terms, and we have 2 minus 6 times 6 becomes here 36, and this is our negative sign. So further in the next step, minus time minus becomes plus, and we get 2 plus 36, and 2 plus 36 becomes here 38. This is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.